Shirt still wet and shit. But welcome back to my channel, man. It's your boy L West, and today's video is gonna be reacting to how old heads act in prison, and we're gonna be reacting to this other video. What the fuck is the other video is? Cause these both only like a minute. This other video is called how it be in the showers in prison. That's the other video we're gonna react to. Before we react to this one first, though. But if you're new to my channel, man, don't forget to sub to the channel, man. We on the road to 1K, man. The quicker we get, the quicker I do this giveaway. Goddamn, like the video if you enjoyed this reaction. I had a link down to both the videos. You feel me? In the description at some point. But yeah, with all that being said, share the video if you want to. With all that being said, let's get into the video.
Damn, that ass fat. What the fuck is that? Shit, what?
Fuck is he talking about?
Oh damn, so lit. I ain't no bitch in here. I'm tripping, nigga. Tripping, bro. I ain't fuck, nigga. The fuck you looking at, bitch? What? We don't get no fuck over here. We ain't with all that fruitcake shit, big boy.
Oh, he tried to tag him along up in the shit. He said, we ain't from none of that fruitcake, nigga. You the only nigga talking about some fruitcake shit, nigga.
Booty, bitch. You a bitch.
Spit in his face and shit.
No fuck, nigga, you think you fuck, boy? Man, you nigga. I know you can,
you rock like that, man.
Bro, shit, I know you can.
Fuck.
What the fuck?
Alright,
He said,
I
alright.
tell you what, we gonna sink out at night. No. You already scared little bitch.
He's a scared little bitch. Folks barking at him and shit. He jumped at him.
Went there right now. Well, that bitch pretty as hell.
That better be a security guard.
Damn, what we in jail, ain't it?
He said, we in jail, ain't we?
They can't have no girls in.
He said they can let no girls in.
Fuck, that bitch bad. What you trying to do one night?
Wait, what? What? Alright. I was still want to know what to put this. I knew what they was talking about, but I don't know, folks. But anyway, let's get to this next video real quick, man. It's only a minute. This video gonna be how it be in the showers in prison.
Every little nigga, if you got a big booty, go to the right. If you got a little head dude, go to the left.
What the fuck?
Now, all the big booty bitches.
Wait.
Big that.
Hold on, go back. Nigga, who the fuck, where is that? Where is it, fuzz? Boom, this right here. Who the I know this ain't, this nigga low-key up in Planet Fitness. Who the fuck let you up in they showers? Well, they low-key free, not free, but if you got a membership, you can go up in they shit. But nigga, they let you shoot videos in they shit.
Go to the right. If you got a little head dude, go to the left. Now, all the big booty bitches, bend that ass over and get ready to get this meat. Who had it in clapping like that?
This nigga.
I'm saying, who had it in clapping like that? Who took that in on the floor? Hey, somebody dropped the soap on the floor. Who sold that in? Who my shank? Here's my shank, bitch.
Hey, my shank, bitch.
Who fucking sold that in? Is your son today?
This your so TJ?
Bring that ass on. Go to basketball right here. You look at my ass, you getting fucked. Look at me unless you want to dick on me.
This nigga wild.
Right here. My turn to get wet. My turn to get wet. What up, boy? What y'all need
He got slides on and shit. Funny ass.
Oh, y'all finna fuck him.
Wait, what?
Oh, you finna fuck him too before I get out of the shower.
This nigga.
Let me take a shower first.
He's up for the fuck up too. Let me get out the shower first.
What you doing? Come here.
Come here.
Get behind your curtain.
Why you breathing like that, bro?
How old you?
This motherfucker said how old you is. Nigga, like, age fucking matter, nigga. Y'all both in prison. What the hell is you talking about? Folks, that's funny as hell. But anyway, that was a damn reaction, you feel me? That was a reaction. So if you like this reaction, leave a like on the video, sub to the channel, man. Road to 1K. You guys already know that. But yeah, that's it, man. I'm gone. I was out. Peace.